Okay. No intro today. We're getting right to it. Okay. Na, komm schon. Oh,
It's a big box.
it's a big box. I love my workshop. It is the best place on earth for me. But I have to say that I have this fantasy, and I always had this, of having a mobile workshop. And most people I talk to who have workshops have this idea of, oh my God, what if I could take my tools with me and work wherever? And so far I've never found the right approach to this, because I don't want it to be a car, it's too big. I don't want it to be just a suitcase, it's too small. So I had this idea in the back of my head for years. And now I think I found a solution. And I am thrilled. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
I don't know if I am ready for this. Yeah! Oh! Yeah! I think it would also be super useful for the house, because that's something I noticed in the last 1.5 years, that I had the situation so often that I need my track saw, but the track saw's in the shop, I'm at the house, I have to go back and forth, and just to bring the most essential tools with you would make a lot of sense. Oh Gott, wie geil!
It's a monster.
It's so cool. It's kind of funny how this works, because I have my big house, and then I really wanted to have a tiny house to live in until the big house is done. I also have my big shop, and now all I want is a tiny shop that I can take with me. I guess that's how it goes for me. Geil, oder? Guck mal, wie viel Platz. Warum geht das denn hier nicht? Ah doch, das geht. Was hast du gemacht? Hier! Oh! Geil! Warte, ich will auch mal. Alter, ist das geil. Gut. Ist das geil. Ich mach nichts anderes mehr. Ich gehe jetzt nur noch so mit dem Hund spazieren.
Und hier drücken?
Ja.
Alter! Heftiger Wendekreis.
Boah, gar kein Wendekreis.
Okay, Bremstest. Ach so, bremsen muss.
Das 100 Pro Verbot, das ist richtig geil. Ich komme mir so richtig mächtig vor. Unnormal. Ist krank. I've arrived. Boah, ich glaube, hier kann man sich auch so richtig wehtun. Oh, jetzt geht durch. Ja. Perfect. It's with a battery. Oi! Press it. It doesn't go faster than walking speed. Up.
Well, come on, Smudo, we're going to Los Angeles.
Ey, guck mal hier. Bremslichter.
Geil.
What we figured out. This is probably not allowed, but you can also go like that. Stand with says no standing.
Yeah!
You can attach this to a bike,
Yeah.
and then somehow you can sync it up with a bike motor, and then it just supports it, and it also supports the braking.
Wait, so I can lay down on it and drive it?
So what makes this bike trailer so special is that it has its own motor, and you can load it with up to 200 kilos. So I think it's the perfect platform for a mobile workshop. And the best thing is, you can also hook it up to an electric bike sync the two of those, and then you have the power of the bike, the power of the hand shock, and also you have a brake support. Because imagine if you have a 200 kilo workshop on a trailer in the back of your bike, you need a lot of power to get it to stop. And this is all figured out. I cannot wait to hook it up. Should we hook it up?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, so this is the hitch adapter. It's meant to be installed on a pipe, but what I want to do to give this the most stability we can is attach it to this plate. So I'm going to quickly weld an adapter so we can take this on and off.
Oh, yes.
Geil. Okay. Maybe we should have taken off the seat. That bike is on fire. Oh yes. Oh, that's so simple. Okay. Oh!
Yes!
One kick. Still going strong. What? Vorsicht!
Okay, geil.
Geil. Geil, oder?
Wilder Ritt.
Okay, Bremstest! Geil! You know what we need to check?
No?
If aluminum boxes fit on there.
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
That would be insane. Oh nee, Alter.
Ooh,
Ey, aber...
yes.
Ja. Okay, krass. It's made for this. This is also great for us to test what dimensions we want.
Like
Just
the...
to, yeah, like we did in the
house.
tiny house.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't want to rush this. I think
What kind of tools you will...
that's the thing. Let's sit down for a second.
Okay.
Okay, so the challenge with this is, I think, deciding what kind of tools I want. Also, leaving room for future stuff, because I could see myself driving this around and then realizing I need a completely different set of tools than I would need in my shop. And also for storage, because I will find cool stuff on the street and I need to have a little bit of room to take that with me. And also, I don't want this to be a clean aluminum box. I want this to look like my workshop, but in a mobile version. So there needs to be lights, maybe maybe like an umbrella if the sun is out, music. I want this to be fun and exciting. But first, I think the most important thing is to figure out what kind of tools do I want. Obviously drills, or one drill, and the bits. Track saw. It can only, it has to be the most versatile tool. Angle grinder. I mean Leatherman, but that's a given.
What is with your small table saw? I mean, actually, it's made for this.
It's made for it. It's battery powered. Yeah. It's not heavy. No, we have to bring it. And it also works on this height. So if this was the actual workbench, maybe this could be somewhere underneath and we can't pull it out because I wouldn't want this to be the work surface because then it will be destroyed within minutes. But if this is just stored underneath.
Maybe there's a top layer and you can take off a layer so you haven't to move it so much.
Maybe, but then it would have to be the whole layer for the entire thing.
Yeah,
otherwise
right.
I have an edge here. There could be a sacrificial top layer above the whole thing and you can fold it open as a outfeed or just to increase your workspace.
Oh yes.
I think that would be nice. Just like, and it has little supports because that means it would double the surface and maybe it splits in the middle. So you increase it to both sides and then you don't stand against the wheels.
Yes.
That's a good idea. Butterfly open. And also that way, if it closes like this could be some kind of lid. So if it's parked in public, you can't get to whatever is inside.
Yeah, right.
Oh, this is so
gosh, so
inspiring.
many options.
This is so inspiring. I love it. Okay, so I don't want to rush this. I want to take my time to think about this. And I also have a little bit of work to do at the house. And generally about the house, I wish we could power through the way we did last summer. But right now, there's a lot of delays. We're waiting on supplies. There are supply chain issues. We're waiting on experts to tell us what the next best steps are. And those are all things that I don't want to rush. I want to be patient. So please be patient with me. There will be more updates, but for now we have to take it slow. But we have the mobile workshop, so it's all good. Okay, that's it for this week. I have to say, I am pumped for the whole mobile workshop thing. It has been a while since I've been so inspired by all this potential. I think this could be huge. And I do have some pretty wild plans for it. I will tell about you more in the next couple weeks. All right, before I go, I absolutely want to thank Carla Cargo for sending me the bike trailer. And also, I want to thank Akku Energiesysteme for sponsoring this amazing battery. Thanks for supporting this wild project. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. I'm also very thankful that I have the time to figure this out. Again, let me know in the comments what you would bring in your mobile workshop. And I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.